Hey guys, this is Tara McNamara. I'm with Crown Real Estate Group. Here I'm your local real estate specialist in mid-Michigan, and I consider every day in real estate an adventure. There's always something fun going on and something new that you can learn from. And I decided to start this channel so that you guys could come along on my adventures. And so I'm going to give you how-tos, some insider tips and tricks on buying and selling homes and everything real estate. I'm going to attempt to answer all your questions. I'll also be taking you on a journey through Michigan and some of the fun things you can do in mid-Michigan, where no matter where you are in Michigan, you're never more than 85 miles away from one of our awesome Great Lakes, or you're never more than 6 miles away from one of our inland lakes or waterways. So there's always something fun to do in Michigan. Come along and join the adventure with me. Hit subscribe now. Let's go.